Hello and welcome to the second part of my tutorials for AutoHARP. In this part we're going to create a new character sheet. So let's just open up AutoHARP and let's get started. To start a new character sheet, you come over here to the toolbar, select the down arrow and select what database you would like to use, what character sheet you would like to create. HARP Fantasy or HARP Sci-Fi are our choices. I'm going to create a HARP Fantasy character sheet. We have a new character wizard, and we're going to just start typing in information. I'm going to give him a name for Hatley, and then we're going to select a race. When you select a race, you will see that the talents update and that the racial bonuses also update. We're going to select human, and here you'll notice that the racial column is now green, and up here it'll tell us that we need to assign 10 stat points, but we can't assign a value more than 3. So we're just going to start. Actually, before we do that, let's go to culture. Let's finish up over here first. Rural, male, and I'm going to make him a hybrid elf. Let's also click for 3 talents. Let's click bonus skill ranks, enhanced senses, and night vision. And now let's start updating our racial bonuses. I'll just kind of quickly give him some data here. That should be enough. What I did there, I'll show you what I did. I just clicked on a cell, I typed in the value that I want, and I clicked on enter or hit enter, and it brought me to the next cell. You can do that all the way through. I will now select a profession. I think I'm going to create, based on what I created back there, on the last step, I'm going to create a paladin cleric. And it'll give me basic information, key stats, any specials for the cleric, and a basic description of what the cleric profession entails. You'll notice that with the fighter, this talent window here will update with talents that you can select. Here it says you can only select 2. And for cleric, you'll notice that I have to select 2 favorite categories, manually select them. So I'm going to select combat, and what I did is I clicked on select category, brought down a list box like this, and I'm just going to select influence here, and that'll create my paladin character. And then I'm done here, so I'm going to click on next. Now to add adolescents and professions, you click on the list up here first. It'll update the list down here, and this is an adolescence. It's denoted by an A. So I come down here under the adolescent ranks, under the row, I click, and I get a spin list control. And then I add my ranks. And then these are ranks for the racial, written linguistics. This is spoken linguistics, so I'm going to add them here. And then for crafts, just the sub-skill crafts will come up. And again, I click on the row and column. I click the up arrow to add. I click the down arrow to delete or remove. And I'm going to put in 2 ranks extra there. For region lore, I'll do that. For melee weapon, I'll add it to long blade. For missile weapon, I'll add it to the pole arms. Now for combat, this is a profession rank. We need to add it under the profession ranks column. I can't add anything here. If I click on it, nothing comes up. But if I go here, it will appear, my spin control will appear, and I'll add my 3 ranks. You'll also see that the ranks that I added for adolescent ranks are here as well. For general, I'll come down here to healing and I'll add 1 rank. Then I'll come down here to will, I'll add a rank, and to magic, I'll add a rank. For influence, I'll add 2 ranks to leadership and 1 rank to diplomacy. For mystical arts, 2 ranks under attunement, 2 ranks under dragon lore, 2 under power points, and 2 under ruins. For physical, I'll give him an extra rank under armor, 2 more ranks under endurance. And I should be done. Everything should read 0 up here when you are finished. Now I need to select 20 spells. And I'll just kind of quickly go through this. To select one, you put a check mark by it, and that will make it selected. So I'll do animal forms. He's a paladin, so he won't be animating any dead anytime soon. Maybe. Bless. Calm. I'll have him control animal. Heal, cure disease. Divine hammer. So dreams, guidance, verbal enhancements, intuition, life-giving, major healing, restoration, summon animal. And then I wanted to make him a paladin, so I'll come down here and I'll add some warrior mage spells to his list as well. And then I can click on next to see if I've got all 20. Tells me that I've added too many, -1. Okay, so I'll just take out hammer strike. Or actually elemental weapon is fine. Actually dancing weapon is good enough. This is fine. Oh, I added. Okay, I'll bring back elemental weapon. Okay, my character sheet has been initialized and I need to save it. I added this bonus skill talent, so it's telling me that I need to put those skills into the skills under skills tab. And I should check my talents to make any other necessary changes. I'm going to click OK. I click up here on the save icon, save my character sheet. He's already named Hatley. It's an XML file. I'm going to save. And that's it. In the next tutorial, I'll give you an overview of what this XML file looks like. Go over some basic tweaking of the character sheet, character maintenance, and then in the next tutorial after that we'll go over a new level.